Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of my huge GBFKE haul. Let's do another grab, shall we? Let's do this one, and this one, and this one. This time. Okay. Oh, where did I leave my scissors? Okay. So, we already had 2 special shaped diamond paintings in my first unboxing. It will probably be just as bad in this one. Here we go! A special shaped. What is this? I can't even see what it is. I think it's a horse. Okay, let's open this. Where do I begin? Yeah. Ooh, I think I saw this one on someone's channel, I think. I don't remember. Maybe I saw it on one of my Facebook pages, I don't know. But I saw it and I was like, that is cute and I need it in my life. So this is obviously a special shaped diamond painting. Let me zoom in a little closer. We have a legend on both sides. And we have 16 colors. Toolkit with a few, 5 baggies. Wax and a pen and a boat. And these are our drills. Ooh, I think I spot some 550 in here. Look at that. That purple is unmistakable. You do not have DMC codes on the drill bags, but they are on the canvas. Okay. 16 colors. It's actually quite a lot. But it's a colorful painting, so there you go. So we have our 5200s, our 666, our 550. This yellow is 444. Ooh. Nice. And here come our special shaped drills. Oh, these are so stunning. Look at these gold. They're like pearls, golden pearls. Oh, perfect. And the drills are, let me zoom in a little. It's so easy. It's just, the symbols are just 1 to 16. It's that easy. So this will be so colorful and it's interesting with the black background. Oh, this is gonna be gorgeous. It's nice with the little details. Oh man. Okay. Hold on, let me get you back. There we go. Okay, so I have to sort of keep these together because I'll mess it up. Okay. Next, this again feels like a special shaped painting, so it probably will be. All right. Oh, I actually got this one to do for my mom. She has a budgie that looks just like this one. Okay, actually hers is a little bit more white, not this dark blue, but anyway, it's pretty. So again, a special shade. Ooh, This time our drills look like this. So these are, oh wow, okay, we have 11 colors. I don't know why I have a challenge opening bags today. I don't know what it is. Oh, perfect, perfect. Let me zoom in. So you can see what I'm looking at. Can you see the number on there? I can see it in the viewfinder. I hope you can. So these are numbered, but they're all like the rhinestone variety of diamonds. These are huge. And these are interesting. Pretty. We have our normal silver ones, blue ones, some more green, some like brownish sort of, and these, oh pretty, and some light green. And this time we do have some sort of like symbols for the drills. It doesn't look too hard, honestly. I can manage this. I can. Okay, awesome. Let me just put these back together because I'll lose them and it would not be good. Okay. Okay, awesome. This looks just as pretty as I thought it would when I looked on it when I looked at it on the website. Come on, speak English. Come on. Okay, last one for today. This was already opened and it's taped. It's fine by me as long as everything I need is in here. So let's try to get it out. This looks like a full drill. It is. It is. Oh. She's my spirit animal. Oh, look at it. It's so cute. I don't know. I just think it's so cute. He looks really, really angry, but he's still cute, you know? Oh, and the nice details in the paws. Oh, I'm gonna love doing this. It's just 20 colors, by the way, which is more than I expected. Lots of color blocking. Oh, I'm gonna love working on this one. Okay, let's look at our drills. This time we have DMCs on here, DMCs on the backs. Perfect. Oh, we have one loose back. Color number 20, which will probably mean we have a double of one. We have a double, number 11. Let me try to go through these fairly quickly. Zoom in a little. Like that. This is probably 210. Yes, it is. Wow, 2 big bags. Oh, we have quite a lot of travelers in this one. The travelers in almost every bag. Cool. Oh, this is gonna be so great. And the legend shows, as always, my favorite part. It's all letters. All letters. And I can work with that just fine. Oh. I'll zoom in a little closer, but it's so easy. You really don't even need a light pad to work on this one. It's perfectly clear. Perfect. Oh, I love that little pause. Okay. I'm over it. Okay, here we go. So, and this is color number 20, by the way, which is a brown. Let me get these back together because, you know, okay. So, again, very, very pleased with my unboxing. And we have a few more to go. So, yeah, stay tuned for part 3 and 4, probably, yeah. Okay, guys, yeah, that was not totally the end. Again, because I did something. I had to do this one. It's the cutest thing ever. This was really fast, easy project. I couldn't resist. And funny thing, somebody just commented on the first unboxing that the cat I unboxed in that video was also luminous. So I started looking back at my order, and apparently I ordered a lot of luminous diamond paintings. And yeah, this one is luminous as well. So, you know what's about to happen, right? I'm gonna hold this up to the light for a second. We're gonna turn it off. And it's gonna be very, very dark. But here we have the horse. This is so cool. This is really, really cool. And besides the luminous part, let me turn on the light again, if I can do that. Yes. Okay. Besides the luminous part, the painting itself. Okay, focus. There we go. The painting itself is also just very, very cool. I'm gonna zoom in a little, show you a bit up close what's going on. There are a lot of gold elements in this painting. It was in a wolf as well. I really enjoy that. So, and of course this one is very, very colorful because it had so many colors. Sort of like a rainbow. I mean, it should be a unicorn. Okay, actually, it should have been a unicorn. It's not, but it's still amazing. Very, very nice, very cool. It doesn't have like a lot of huge drills, but yeah, I don't know, I like it this way. I really do. So, and well, there's not a whole lot to see up close in this one. Drills are very shiny, as always. Plenty of drills this time for both paintings. It was just another awesome experience. Okay, so I'm off to the next painting. I'm working really fast right now, but I'm having a great time, so no worries. Yeah, stay tuned for the next unboxing. There will be another luminous painting that I'm going to be working on right now. So yeah, be safe, take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.